Hello YouTube, we're back round Charles's. So apparently there were some issues with the subframe works. After we've done the subframe works, we chucked it in for the wheel alignment and there's been some issues. Let's get into it. What's happened?
So what's happened is, set the car in for its wheel alignment. One of the bolts that was fitted to the car to do the toe in and toe out on the driver's side, the accentuated washer has slipped. So it's actually become detached from the bolt itself. So we weren't able to get the wheels aligned. So what we're going to be doing today is I bought two brand new genuine VW bolts. We're going to be whipping the old ones out, stick the new ones in, get that buttoned up, and then the car can go back in and get its wheels aligned. So let's get cracking.
All right. Okay, so we jacked the car up on one side and we were hoping we'd be able to just slip the bolts out and put the new bolts in. But that wasn't going to be the case.
Okay, there we go. That's those two out. This is going to be a pain in the backside.
Okay. Can we drop the exhaust in? Can we just drop it from the back without fully undoing it? If you take it off the hangers and just drop
down,
the
that's right.
back
It's
end.
in the way here though, isn't it?
Eh?
I think we're going to have to undo those bolts again.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I think the easiest thing would just take it off before.
Okay. Let's lift the other side then. And put it on the stand. Just give us more room.
Yeah.
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 Are you doing the bowl?
Yeah, that's right. Pain in the backside to do.
It's voice recognition.
You're going to have loads of beeps.
Yeah.
I'm going to go and get my car cleaned, I think. I'm going to be lazy.
How do I turn it so is that on undo already?
I'm not too sure.
Oh, that's 17. Yeah, it's way smaller than 17. It's not 17. Wait, can it not just come out of that? Because it's a hanger there.
Yeah, but the other side's a bit different as well, so it's just easier just to undo those nuts. Because to be honest, we might need to drop that that heat shield off as well.
I think it's more like a 13 maybe.
Alright, that's 13.
Yeah. One. There's the other one.
Okay, right, let's get this jack under there to support that. That's tightening.
Is it? Right.
Yeah.
How do I change it? Oh, there. Do you see where that bolt went?
Oh, I'm sure we'll find it. Yeah, I see that.
Where's the other one? Oh, it's over here. Is that it there?
There's only going to be two holding that hanger on.
Yeah, and they're both like over there.
Got it? Wait.
Okay, that one's off.
You got that one off?
Yeah.
Right.
Do you have one off?
No, I need to try and get to it.
Where is it?
It's down there somewhere. Just everything's in
Is it
the way.
like over here?
Everything's in the way. Yeah.
It's over here, isn't it?
That one there to support that. There we go.
There it is, there.
You got it. Okay, cool.
Get some movement on it, right? How's she going?
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Right, that's off.
Right, you take the weight of that.
Yeah, I've got it.
Okay, right. Hold that for a sec.
Yeah.
Okay, hold that weight. Got it. Right. Drop it down.
Mind your light.
There you go. Got it. That's right. Drop it on the floor.
I think I'm going to smash your light up, yeah?
Oh, that's fine. That's okay. You're good. Get the light out of the way. There we go.
And this is falling to the ground here.
What's that?
The front of the...
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. Just rest that down. There we go. Cool.
So we got the exhaust out of the way. We've got enough room now to get to the bolts. And we tried banging them out, but we found that there was too much tension from the car springs. So eventually we give up on this, and we decide we've got to take the wheels off. We've got to take the swing arm bolts wheel side off to release the springs, and that would then loosen up these bolts. So yeah, we decided to take the wheels off eventually.
I think what we're going to have to do is actually take that wheel off I think that's going to be the easiest thing to do. Take that wheel off.
Okay, so we've taken the wheels off. I'm just going to lower the arm. Take the arm off of that bolt. I'm just going to leave there. Can't really see it. And by there. So that we can then get the other bolt off the swing arm. That's basically the best way, the easiest way.
I'll lower this down, we can take that spring out.
Yep. Okay, that's off the spring already.
Yeah, exactly. Let's get the spring out.
So that should come out from the other side then.
That arm's free now. You can get that bolt out, take the bolt over.
Yeah.
And do the wheel alignment. Okay, right, well, might as well just... I don't need that there. Okay, let me get back under there. The joys of cars. Right, the joys of sending them in to get simple things done and then end up cocking it up. There we go. Okay, right, so that's the bolt that they messed up.
Yeah.
So essentially what's happened is that captive eccentric washer has become detached. So as they're turning the bolt to adjust the toe in and toe out,
Yeah. Can you blame them for that? Ultimately, it's a poor quality bolt.
No, yeah, absolutely. I can't blame them, but it's still a pain in the backside that.
Yeah.
My issue is that you rely on their expertise, and I actually had to go around there for them to show me what was going on, and they didn't understand what the issue was. Now, me as the customer, all right, yes, lucky I know about these cars, or just cars in general, but them as the experts, they should have known what the issue was. They couldn't diagnose what the issue was.
Yeah.
So me as the customer, I had to be underneath the car while it was up on the ramp for them to start turning the bolt, not understanding why they couldn't get the wheels to align.
Yeah.
For me to diagnose the issue. Like I say, as the customer, you shouldn't have to do that. That's more my annoyance, but I can see what's happened here, and yeah, it's just a poor quality part. You know, I suppose you can blame me for putting a poor quality part in, but at the same time, when I bought these weren't cheap.
Yeah.
All the bolts on the rear of this car, for the most part, are brand new bolts, and they have cost an absolute fortune for the bolts.
Yeah.
But anyway, listen, that's by now. I've ordered and I've got some brand new original VW bolts to go in, but we've had to go through all this effort, undo a lot of work that we've already done just to get these bolts out and to put new ones in. So I'm going to grab the new one, slot that in, and then we can start getting everything back together on this car.
Sounds good to me.
Right, here we go. So, that now is the new original VW bolt that is going to go in. So, let's Let's get that in. So that's in. And so what we've got on the other side of the bolt, so I'll show you with the old one.
It's, yeah, it's slightly different.
Uh,
That one's more oval, so that will give more adjustment.
no, I think they're pretty much the same.
Are they?
So I've just replaced that bolt. What we have on the other side of the bolt, I'll show you with the old one, you also have an accentuated washer, which slots into a groove.
And that would also turn when you turn
So
it. Yeah.
your control arm sits between there,
Yeah.
and as you turn it, that accentuated
Leverage.
washer is what adjusts your toe in and toe out on the rear of this car. So got the new bolt in, I'm going to stick a new washer on, new nut. We can lift all this back up into place, get this bolted up, and then we move over onto the other side.
Yeah.
So let's get that in place. So that's in place. That can go on. Okay, so I'm going to leave it loose for the time being, so at least we've got some movement to get this all back up.
Yeah.
So it's just going to be finger tight. There we go, that's in. Right, all that work, literally just changed that one bolt. Now the other one is absolutely fine, but as a matter of course,
Yeah, you don't want to take it back
we're
in.
going to
and
whip
then
that bolt
mess
out
that one up as well.
and replace that with an original VW bolt as well. And hopefully we won't have this issue again. Right, let's get this all back together.
And there you have it. For the sake of 2 bolts, at least now we've got some genuine VW ones back in. She's back on the road. Booked in for alignment tomorrow. You happy?
Yeah, chuffed to bits. Back on the road. So all that just for a couple of bolts, but hey, yo, that's what it is. So we'll get it back in for alignment tomorrow. Take it out for a drive and enjoy it. If there's any other issues that crop up, I'm sure you will be along with us for the journey. But there we go. Stay tuned.
Have fun, guys.